is a wish your heart makes when you're fast asleep. In dreams you will lose your heartache. Whatever you wish for, you keep. Have faith in your dreams, and someday your rainbow will come smiling through. No matter how your heart is grieving, if you keep on believing, the dream that you wish will come true. Oh, the dream is a wish your heart makes when you're fast asleep. In dreams you will lose your heart. Whatever you wish for, you keep. So have faith in your dreams, and someday your rainbow will come smiling through. No matter how your heart is grieving, if you keep on believing, the dream that you wish will come true.
Well, all right. So it comes out. It comes out. And that's what I was going to say. No, listen, you've gone from crooner, thunderstorm, tornado, and now you're just this suave guy with this amazing voice. You knocked it out of the park. You did fantastic.
Thank you, Lionel. Thank you.
That song, I feel like, fit you perfectly. Throughout this whole journey that you've been on, you know, you are all heart. And you're always so positive, and you're always smiling. And when you sing about dreams and dreams coming true, it's just so sweet and believable. And your ability to just deliver a song, you don't do too much with it, you don't do too little. It's just the right amount that we feel your heart behind it. So that was a very beautiful moment you just had.
Thank you, Carrie. Thank you so much.
I mean, that moment just makes our show so great. I mean, we're judges. We sit back and have to try to come up with new ways to critique y'all. But, man, the bottom line is it's just hard to critique when you and every one of you guys come out here every week and give so much. And that was just such a perfect moment, singing kind of in that lullaby moment. And then we hear this falsetto thing that you did at the end that you just keep surprising us and growing, and, man, I love you for it. Awesome. Great job.
Thank you, Luke. Love you, too.
Thunderstorm.